Still refreshing APIs like it's 2012? There's a better way. Stream real-time market prices directly into your app. All it takes is a WebSocket, a few lines of C#, and your API key. That's it. Here's how to build it. Step by step, no fluff. First, import necessary libraries to run the program. We'll then define the namespace as CS WebSocket, and then create a class named Program. Inside the Program class, we define a private string called Streaming API Key. Just replace its value with the key you get from TraderMade. The main method serves as the entry point of the program. It creates an instance of the program class and calls the initialize method. Inside the initialize method, we have a try-catch block that encapsulates the main functionality of our program. First, we create a manual reset event named exit event to handle exiting the program. Next, we define the URL of the WebSocket server we want to connect to. We then create a WebSocket client using the WebSocket client class and pass in the URL. Within the using statement, we set the reconnect timeout property of the client to 30 seconds to handle reconnection attempts. We handle reconnections by subscribing to the event and logging the reconnection type. We also subscribe to the message received event, which triggers whenever a message is received from the WebSocket server. If the message is connected, we construct a JSON string containing our API key and the symbols we're interested in, and then send this JSON string to the server using the send method of the WebSocket client. After setting up the event subscriptions, we start the WebSocket client with the start method. Finally, we use the wait1 method of the exit event to block the main thread until the exit event is signaled, effectively keeping the program running until it is manually terminated. In case an exception occurs during the execution of the code inside the try block, we catch it in the catch block and print out an error message indicating the type of exception that occurred. Now that we have our program, let's run it. Yes, you get lightning-fast prices retrieved through the WebSocket into your terminal. And just like that, you're streaming real market data powered by TraderMade.